Hey guys, this is Cat number 5 in here videotaping from my RCA tablet. I wanted to show you the video camera, my camcorder that I always take videos with is now acting up. This is my Samsung HMX F90 camcorder. I got it for my birthday one year, and it's now acting up. So I'm going to show you what happens when I turn it on, what it says. And here it goes. See, and then if I go, oops, didn't want to take a picture. See, it'll only show pictures, but it won't show the videos. Come on, stay. So yeah, and another problem with it too is I'll show you. Is if I go to my, let's see if I can go to my go to my date and time set. Let's see. Alright, sorry about that. I have to. So when I go to date and time set, there's a blank page, and it should be where you can set the date and time. So yeah, any ideas what can I do about this? And I have an SD card here, and all my SD cards it does that to me. So alright. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Okay. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.